Welcome to episode 2 of the Santos rebuild. Sorry for the fast for week break of this series, but we are back with this series. Today is game 3. In the last game we played, one of our players gotten injured and will be back next game. Santos got make sure to keeping winning games for us. Here we go. Easy. Oh, nitrogen monoxide. I can't blame the keeper.
Do you have any idea how fast I am? I'm fast as fuck!
Oh my god, what a clutch goal. We win game 3. Goal of the game and his career. Before game 4, we is going to bring back Jukas in the starting 11. First half. Simon Dog. Why is he missing? We still rank 1 in the Brazilian League. I hope you enjoy this video. I will be making these shorter so I can upload it faster. I will see y'all in the next.